Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking your ticket and park reservation in the My Disney Experience app. This proves eligibility and lets the system assign a boarding group. Once done, sign in early and enable location and notifications so the app updates instantly. At rope drop, open the virtual queue page and be ready at the exact 7:00 a.m. or announce time. Speed matters because groups fill fast. You do this to maximize chances, not just for convenience. When the clock hits the announce time, refresh, tap join, and immediately choose your party. This records everyone in one group. You should keep one finger on join and another ready to confirm. The app can be sensitive to delays. Once your boarding group is assigned, note the return window and set an alarm. If the system shows a waitlist instead, accept it. Waitlists can convert when groups cancel, so stay near the app. You should arrive during your assigned window and have all linked tickets ready to scan. That confirms your boarding access. If some party members weren't included, make sure the booking shows everyone and see guest relations immediately. They can often correct issues on site. If the app freezes or shows an error, log out and back in, reboot your phone, or ask a cast member for a kiosk. These steps usually clear session glitches so you don't miss your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.